Hi, I'm Scott Carnes, and it's a great day to be a Carnes customer. Let's get cooking with this week's meal deal, spaghetti squash with meatballs and pasta sauce. And we've got a nice pasta sauce and some frozen meatballs. We're just going to heat that up on top of the stove, but I want to talk about making the spaghetti squash because that's what's really important about this meal. And the fall is a great time for spaghetti squash. You'll get a nice large spaghetti squash, take a large fork and puncture at least 10 or 12 holes into this squash so you can let the steam out of your spaghetti squash. We're going to put this spaghetti squash into the microwave and cook it for around 20 minutes on high so that it gets fully cooked, and you'll get to see what happens when you take the meat out of these beautiful spaghetti squash. I have one here that we have cooked for 20 minutes. We've removed the seeds and then cut it in half, and you just take a fork and you start shredding that squash, and you'll see those strands of the spaghetti squash that come out, and we'll be serving this with the meatballs and the pasta sauce, and it just makes for a great alternative to pasta. And see how it just comes out, beautiful strands of spaghetti squash. You got two halves here. It's very hot coming out of the microwave, so you got to be careful. And we'll take a look at this meal deal later in the newscast. Hi, let's take a look at this week's meal deal, spaghetti squash and meatballs. It's ready in just a half an hour. It's perfect with fresh bread and a salad.
This week at Carnes, you can feed a family of four this meal deal for only $9.49. For the complete recipe, go to the Community tab on abc27.com.